My name is Ihab Ilyas. I'm a professor of computer science in the University of Waterloo for the last 20 years. My research focuses primarily on data management and using machine learning and AI techniques for automatic data cleaning, data quality, and data integration. My research is significant for Canadians because data and AI has been the centerpiece of modern economy. And when Canadian businesses, Canadian enterprise and institutions work on better data, better models, and higher quality data, they can achieve higher growth, work more efficiently, and opens new line of business. I have been fortunate to have mentors starting from my undergrad years in Alexandria, my PhD years in Purdue, and my wonderful colleagues at Waterloo. And those have been the main inspiration for me to continue this academic career. And I can say that the most inspiration comes from my students, see them grow and see them progress in their life, in professional life. So I'm still thrilled by this, and that's why I love it every day.